Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display product price with text or without text in WooCommerce cart page using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page. So this is our two product. So we added text in both product. So we are going to display product price with text or without text. Now you see price. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin, write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation, on left side you see code snippet, and then you see add snippet. So click on it. Then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see select the code type for your snippet. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open. And then you can add title, and then you see code preview. Now we are going to paste code. And you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code, we are going to display product price include text or exclude text in WooCommerce cart page. Now scroll down. Now you see price HTML. Now you see exclude text, include text. So you can add text according to requirement. So this is our custom text. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to cart page and refresh the page. Now you see ceramic bar product, $33, exclude tax, 36.30 include tax, subtotal you see 33, and then you see subtotal 63, 30 plus 33 is equal to 63, and then you see tax 4.80 on both product, and then you see total amount 67.80. Now you see 30 exclude tax, 31.50 include tax for this product price in WooCommerce cart page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.